Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit Word documents in Canva. To start, go to your Canva dashboard and create a new project by clicking the Create right here. Let's open a doc file or the doc layout. Canva will now open a blank page where you can type just like in Microsoft Word. You can add your title, your content, and create a document from scratch. The big difference is Canva gives you way more design options like the graphics, the elements, and layouts. So inside your document, you can insert graphics, templates, or other design. For example, you can pick a design from the elements section and drop it into your page. This is something that Microsoft Word can't do as easily, which makes Canva a great option for visually enhanced documents. Additionally, if you already have a file, you don't need to recreate it from scratch. Just click on the Upload, click on Upload Files, and upload your PDF. You can access them in the Designs tab. Click on it, and you can replace the current page or add as a new page. And as you can see here, Canva will open the PDF, and you'll be able to edit the text, move elements, and modify the layout right inside Canva. You can also upload a Word document the same way. However, sometimes Canva might convert the formatting incorrectly. For example, images might move, line breaks might disappear, and text alignment may change. But this is not a problem. You can manually fix these issues using the tools in Canva and still take advantage of its design features. So yes, you can fully edit Word documents and PDF files in Canva and then redesign them again, improve the layout, or export them again as a PDF. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.